Understanding SEO Optimization, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and relevant topic in the digital age: SEO optimization. If you've ever wondered what this term means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of SEO optimization together. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a process used to increase the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's unpaid results. Think of it as a set of techniques to make your website more attractive to search engines like Google. By doing SEO, your website can appear higher in search results, which means more people are likely to find it. SEO is crucial because it helps people find information online. When you search for something on the internet, you usually click on one of the first few results. SEO helps websites to be in these top positions. It's not just about being found, though. SEO also ensures that the information provided is relevant and valuable to the person searching. There are several key elements in SEO optimization. 1. Keywords. These are words or phrases that people use when they search for something online. Including these in your website's content helps search engines understand what your site is about. 2. Content quality. High quality, relevant, and informative content is essential. It's not just about using the right keywords, but also about providing value to your audience. 3. Backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours. They act like votes of confidence, telling search engines that your site is reputable and trustworthy. 4. Website performance. How fast your website loads and how well it works affects your SEO. A faster, smoothly running website is preferred by both users and search engines. To apply SEO, you start by researching keywords related to your website's topic. Then, you create content that incorporates these keywords naturally. Remember, it's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about making it useful and interesting for your audience. Additionally, you can reach out to other websites to create backlinks and continuously work on improving your website's performance. SEO optimization is a powerful tool in the digital world, helping websites to be more visible and accessible to those searching for information. As we've learned, it's not just about using certain keywords but also about creating quality content and ensuring your website performs well. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the world of SEO. Keep exploring, and happy learning!